Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to find the bond order in a simple way of the molecule that have a number of electrons between 8 and 20. So I write here column of electrons, this column of electrons, and also this is column of electrons, and this is column of bond order, and this is column of bond order. So our objective is to find the molecule or a substance that have number of electron between 8 and 20. So this is very easy trick. Is used uh, for exam to easily find. So I write here 14, and also I write here 14. I descending by 1. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And I from this I am ascending 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From from in the column of bond order, I first I write 3 and 3, and then I decrease 3 I decrease 3 by 0.2 on both side of this. So this 2.5 to 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0, and 2.5 to 1.5, 1, 0.5, and 0. So now we are going to see the examples. For instance, example, find the bond order with the following substance. The first one is this, second, the third one, the fourth one. So we are going to find the bond order of this substance. So nitrogen is how many? They have how many electron? Is 7 electron. Plus oxygen is how many electron? 8 electron. You know, number of electron is equals to group number. Number of electron is group atomic number. So here we have 15. Therefore the bond order is number of electron is how much? 15. So 15 is how much? Where is 15? So here is the 15. So bond order of this substance is 2.5. And what is a carbon? There is a 6. What is a nitrogen? Is 7. So how much? 13. So 13 is how much? Bond order. From here, 13. 13 is also the bond order is 2.5. And what is the oxygen molecule? You know, 8 plus 8 equals to 16. So bond order is how much? 2 here. And carbon is 6, oxygen is 8, so it's 14 electron. So bond order is how much? 3. Now we are going to find how to find number bond order of ions. Let's see, this and this. So to find the bond order of ions, first carbon is how much? 6. Nitrogen is how much? What is the 7? So we have minus here. Minus plus means losing of electrons. So 13 minus 1 is equals to 12 electrons. So bond order is, what is the bond order of 12? Bond order of 12 is equals to 2. And carbon is how much electron? As 6. Nitrogen how much? Is 7. So we have minus ion here. Minus means a gaining of electron. So it's plus 1. This 13 plus 1 is 14 number to the valence electron. So bond order is 3 from the table above. So nitrogen is how much? Number of electron of nitrogen is how much? Which is 7, and oxygen is 8, and then plus here, so it's losing of electron, losing electron. So 50 minus 1 is 4a. So bond order is equals to 3. Thank you for watching. This is how to find the bond order of ions in the neutral molecule or a substance.